Hey everyone, welcome back to Think AI. In today's video, we're diving into the world of AI-powered music creation. We'll be exploring 5 incredible free AI tools that can help you turn your musical ideas into reality, no matter your skill level. If you missed our previous video on 5 AI tools to create stunning images, make sure to check it out. It's packed with some amazing tools for creating beautiful visuals. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to stay updated on the latest AI trends and tutorials. Let's get started. Refusion, your AI music composer. Refusion is a powerful tool that allows you to generate music based on text prompts. Whether you're into classical, jazz, or even experimental genres, Refusion can turn your words into music. Let's see how this tool works. After signing up for a free account, you simply input a text prompt, like a melancholic piano piece, or a cheerful pop song. Refusion will then generate a piece of music based on your description. You can tweak the music and customize it according to your preference. You can really experiment with Refusion's features to create the perfect musical piece for your project. Whether you need background music or a full song, this tool does it all.
No hands to of a life never no seeing me waiting my can it be so sur ma ça se trouve pas je te mérite brûle en température ça.
SoundRaw, easy music. Creation SoundRaw is an easy-to-use tool that's perfect for those looking to create royalty-free music without any hassle. If you're working on a video, podcast, or any project that requires background music, SoundRaw is a great choice. Let's see how this tool works. You select a mood, genre, and instrument combination that fits the tone of your project. Afterward, you can customize the music's length, tempo, and intensity. Once you're happy with the result, you can download the music for use in your projects. SoundRaw makes it incredibly easy to create music quickly, and it offers plenty of customization options. Ecret Music. Simple AI music. Generation. Ecret Music is another simple tool that generates royalty-free music. This tool is great if you need something fast and effective for your project. Let's see how this tool works. Choose a mood and genre that suits your project. Ecret Music will generate a piece of music based on those choices. You can further customize the music's parameters to make it your own. Once you're satisfied, simply download the music and use it however you like. Ecret Music is straightforward and perfect for people who need quick, hassle-free music generation. Boomi. Create music in seconds. Boomi is a user-friendly AI tool that lets you create your own music in just a few clicks. It's a fantastic choice for those who need quick, custom music, but don't have the time or expertise to compose it themselves. Let's see how this tool works. You can choose from a variety of genres and styles, from hip-hop to electronic and beyond. After selecting your style, Boomi will generate a complete music track for you in seconds. You can make minor edits, like adjusting the tempo or changing instruments, to make the track fit your project's vibe. Boomi makes music creation super easy, even for complete beginners, and allows you to make a custom track in no time. Music. Music made easy. Music is an excellent AI-powered tool that allows you to create royalty-free music easily and quickly. It's a great option for creators who need music for videos, games, and more. Let's see how this tool works. Choose a genre and set the mood for your track. Music will generate a fully produced piece of music that you can customize by changing the length, instruments, and structure. Once you're satisfied, you can download the music and use it for your projects. Music is perfect for quick, customizable music creation that sounds professional. With these incredible AI tools, you can unlock your musical potential and create stunning compositions without any prior musical training. Whether you're a seasoned composer or a beginner, these tools are perfect for bringing your musical ideas to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Think AI for more exciting AI tutorials and reviews. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's explore the future of music together.